There are few moments in history when future announces itself with clarity and conviction. Today is one such moment in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh's emerging gateway to India's digital future. We are here today laying the foundation of a new era that brings together energy, data and connectivity to power India's next phase of growth. The global AI race is not being defined by software alone. It is being defined by those who can build infrastructure beneath intelligence. The nations that will lead this century will design powerful models and build systems required to sustain and scale them. And here, India's opportunity is clear. And Visakhapatnam is where that opportunity takes shape. Today, India stands at approximately 1.3 gigawatts of data center capacity. Just for context, here today we are envisioning nearly 1 gigawatt in a single location. That contrast reflects the scale of transformation ahead. India is entering a new league of AI infrastructure, and India's advantage is very clear. Trust, execution, and most importantly, energy. AI may be written in code, but it runs on electricity. The AI revolution is constrained by power, compute, connectivity, and the speed of execution. Energy sits at the core of this equation. It is the largest component in the cost of compute, and in simple terms, the cost of intelligence is the cost of power. And this, exactly, my friends, is India's structural advantage. And this is where us at the Adani Group play a critical role. If India is the opportunity, Visakhapatnam is the frontier. For decades, India's digital gateways were concentrated in Mumbai and Chennai. Today, a decisive shift is underway. With the development of the undersea cable landing infrastructure in Visakhapatnam, a new gateway to India's digital ecosystem is emerging. For the first time in decades, India is opening a new digital gateway beyond just the two cities, redefining how the country connects to the world. But the shift is not just about connectivity, it is about positioning India closer to global data flows, reducing latency and enabling faster, more efficient AI workloads at scale. In the AI era, how data moves around is as important as how it is created. And Visakhapatnam here has a natural edge. It combines port-led infrastructure, access to land, strong policy support, and the ability to integrate energy and connectivity at scale. Equally important is the leadership. Under the vision of Shri Chandrababu Naidu ji, in his 2.0 phase of leadership, Andhra Pradesh is moving with speed and clarity to position Visakhapatnam at the center of India's AI future. What stands out is execution, the ability to move from vision to decision, and from decision to now delivery. When that vision is combined with investments of this scale, it creates a center of gravity that attracts ecosystems, drives innovation, and shapes the next phase of growth. Just as Bengaluru defined India's technology revolution, Visakhapatnam is going to anchor India's AI revolution. Visakhapatnam is positioning itself to help define that future, and what begins today marks the starting point of this large transformation. The transformation here is being enabled by the strong partnerships we are witnessing today. And this is where I would personally like to acknowledge Google and Mr. Sundar Pichai for their continued belief in India's role in shaping the future of technology, along with Mr. Thomas Kurian and Bikash for driving this collaboration forward. This partnership brings together global technology leadership, connectivity at scale, and integrated infrastructure capability. At the Adani Group, our conviction is very clear. For India to lead in the age of AI, it must build infrastructure at scale within the country. This is why we have committed $100 billion to build a platform that supports India's AI growth. We are building an integrated platform across energy generation, transmission, digital networks, and data centers, powered by clean and reliable energy and designed for scale, speed, and resilience. Our role is to enable the ecosystem that AI depends on. Because the future of AI will be shaped by infrastructure and enabled by energy. For AI to transform our economies and societies, it must be affordable. And affordability begins with energy. Lower energy reduces the cost of compute. Lower energy costs reduce the cost of training new models. And lower energy costs reduce the cost of inference. Energy efficiency and scale will determine how quickly AI can move from experimentation to widespread adoption. And as the cost of compute falls, the cost of intelligence falls. When intelligence becomes more affordable, access expands, innovation accelerates, growth becomes more inclusive. And that is the real promise of AI. More people gaining access to intelligence, more businesses able to build and scale, more opportunities created across sectors and communities. What we are building here will support scale, access, and India's leadership in the AI century. India will build the future. India will architect intelligence. And India will democratize intelligence by expanding access to it. Because the true power of AI will be measured by how widely it can be used, and that journey begins here.